Oh, back again, man. The work don't stop. Garbage day. The work don't stop, man. Work don't stop. Back with another project. Dubs Daily, you know the vibes, you know the name already. I ain't gotta say it no more. But another project for you guys. My plans for today. We're gonna get this grill out of here. Yep, getting this. We're gonna remove the tow hook too. So if anyone wants a tow hook, holla at me on this. Whoa. Holla at me on Instagram if you want the tow hook. But getting this grill out of here, gonna put a mesh. Yeah, not no basin R, cause basin R ain't got nothing for the. I'm doing a video. It's my mom. You gonna say anything? You're just posing.
Well,
like,
I'm just like all trying to talk about your car. His car is.
You weren't trying to talk about anything. You're just standing there.
Hi. Oh my gosh!
Okay,
Did you see inside his car? Did you see how he's changed it? My son has evolved. Like, he's been doing wicked work on his car. If you guys, I hope he's shown you guys the videos from when he initially got the car. To
actually, no, I haven't showed them yet. But okay. Actually, I'm gonna throw that in the video.
You suck. To be honest, put it in there. For when he shows you how he initially got the car and all the stuff he's changed. And guess what? He changed on his own. I'm proud of him he's converted everything. So anyways, I just wanted to be in this video and big him up. Thank you. Dubs Daily. Bye, God.
As I was saying, Basin R doesn't have no built grill for it. So I'm going to do a little custom job with a mesh grill that I got off of eBay. It's ABS plastic. So hopefully I get it proper. Hopefully I do a good job. Shout out to what's his Instagram again? Shout out to Brennan Gray. That's his Brennan.Gray. Shout out to him because he first gave me the idea. I first saw his Mazda 3 was a hatch. First person I've seen with the grill built for this bumper. He did his own custom job. You know, I wanted to do it too, but when I saw his, I'm like, bro, that is the vision I had, but I just never knew what to do. So shout out to him for the idea. And yeah, I'm gonna get this out of here. I always forget about this stupid tow hook. I'm not putting that back on. But now let's see what we working with, man. Never done this either. Alright, so managed to get this off a little bit, but an issue I'm running into that I wasn't aware of is that this literally connects all the way down here, and why that's an issue is because my front lip is drilled into this piece. I think what I'm gonna have to do is get a saw and probably cut along here, just so I have this bottom piece still there so my front lip isn't affected. So at least cut along here, and this whole piece just comes off like that. Yeah, that might be what I'm gonna have to do. Well, guys, don't watch my toes. I was actually able to pull it off. Wow, that worked. That really worked. But for the 2012s, it is a two-piece, so got that part off only because I sawed it. If I didn't saw it, there's a bunch of screws and stuff here that I'd have to take out. But two-piece, so I got that off. And then for this upper part of the grill, you just have to get these two screws out. That's in front of the Mazda emblem, or that's holding up the Mazda emblem, sorry. Get these two screws out and then pull this from behind, and then, man, y'all get it. It'll work. There you go. Managed to take it out. There was one piece holding up that second part of the grill. Use my prying tool. It's one of those screw fasteners. Has a screw in the middle of this, but loosen it and then get your prying tool, pop that out. All right, guys, here's the mesh that I'm gonna be using. Got it off of eBay. I'll put the link. I don't know if they're selling them anymore. I think Brendan told me that they stopped selling them, but here it is. Listen, I hope this better. Please cover. Honestly, that's all I need to see. I know it's gonna fit. Yes, thank God. This is gonna look so clean, but little press for time, so I'm gonna see what I could get done for the day, and then I'll probably continue tomorrow if I don't finish. So here's a rough cutout of what it should be. I might just keep it like this because it's not like everyone's gonna see the edges anyways, but let's see how it fits right now. It's gonna fit. Ah! Yes! Ooh, something like that. Ooh, it's gonna look something like that, but unfortunately for myself, I can't complete it today. For you guys, it's all gonna be in one video, so whatever. But for me, it's a kind of a piss off. A little press for time right now. I have to go to work shortly, probably like the next hour, but I have to get ready and all that stuff. But anyways, that's what's gonna look like. So I'm gonna be back tomorrow getting this thing installed. I also got to get some extra zip ties, so maybe it is best that I just pause it right here. So anyways, one more look for now. Ooh, that's gonna look clean. All right, I'll be back.
24 hours later.
We are back. Yeah, so good thing I actually went to work because I needed to get some drill bits and also some zip ties, as I said, because I'm gonna be zip tying the mesh to the bumper, the little tabs that were hooked onto the original bumper. Shoot, sorry, right there. I might drill a few extra holes. I'm not 100% sure, but I might. Ooh, that's a Bosch nicely charged drill. The drill bit's to 964. Sorry if I'm talking extra loud. Someone's doing construction at their house. So I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly, but all the holes are drilled, top and bottom and the sides. Now it's time to take these and stick them through and see if I need more or not. So there you go, that's how it looks right now. People say the second gen 3s look like smiles, and the fact that this has all these zip ties going through it looks like it has teeth. It really doesn't help. I don't like this, but anyways, I just tried to do a little fitment test. I'm gonna have to trim some of the bottom of the grill to make it fit nice. All right, guys, so that's how the fitment's gonna be for the most part. I know I could trim more off the sides and the bottom, but I'm gonna just leave it where it's at just to be safe. You know, I could make it look cleaner, yes, but no one's gonna be looking behind my bumper to see how it looks, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it where it's at. Let's get these on, man. I need to take a break, yo. It's hot. Like, look at my skin, bro. Glistening like diamonds. Whoa. Not a good glisten, yo. It's nasty glisten, but let me take a water break though. Holy smokes. What should I talk about? Future plans. I already have a video on that. I thought man's talking about you don't own a matching pair of socks. We don't do that, man. We don't do that. Socks gotta match, man. If you don't wear matching socks, you just look nasty and bummy, you know? Don't watch the mug. Yeah, that's all I need still. Just a little break, cause whoa. It's not hard to do what I'm doing, but it's long and it's hot. Bye to you, bye. You guys ready? I don't know if you're ready, man. All right, bet. Ooh. super smiley. There you go, guys. That's the end product. Like, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. I need to give her a little wash, but that looks beautiful. Anyone who has the 2010s, 2013s, highly advise that you do it. Looks much better than the OEM grill. You know, the 2010s, 2011s, they have the luxury of getting the base in our grill. We don't got that. Mine is the 2010, as you guys know already, but I did the 2012 bumper swap, so this is what I'm living with, and I'm not mad at it at all. In my opinion, looks just as good. But yep, that's about it, man. All right, now for real though, hold on. I'm gonna need you guys to do me a big favor, right? If you're watching this video right now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment, and just share it. All right, help me get out there. Help me get out there. You know, I really enjoy doing this. You know, maybe I can make something out of it. But in order for me to make something out of it, I'm gonna need y'all to help me get up there. You know, you guys help me, I help you. You help me get up there, I'm gonna give you guys more content. I promise you, the content's gonna keep coming. It's gonna keep coming. But for me to really want something out of this, I'm gonna need y'all help to just get my content out there. Like, comment, subscribe, share. It's just a few buttons, you know, just a few buttons on the keyboard. So yeah, I just had an old man moment. It's definitely called keys, not buttons on the keyboard. Second of all, you can't use, there's nothing on the keyboard to make you like and subscribe and share people's videos on YouTube. Like, I definitely meant like use your mouse and click it and, you know, click the buttons, but you guys know what I'm trying to say, man. Anyways, but or on your phone, whatever you're watching it on. But yeah, just do that for me. I'm gonna keep you guys entertained, I promise you. All right, talking way too much though. That's about it. I'm out.